Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we are going to be learning a short tap combination. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the playlist Beginner Tap Steps. That is up on the channel already. I will leave this playlist linked below as I run through the steps we will be performing in this video in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, with our right leg we have a paradiddle, and with the left leg we have a paradiddle. Next, we have a double paradiddle with the right leg and a double paradiddle with the left leg. Perfect. Let's put those steps together again. Starting with the right leg first, we have a paradiddle. Perfect. Let's move on to the next section. So we have a 4-beat cramp roll starting with the right leg, followed by a shuffle toe heel again with the right leg. Perfect. We then repeat this on the left leg. Perfect. Let's place all these steps together, starting with the 4-beat cramp roll on the right leg first. Perfect. Let's go from the very beginning of the tap combination. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the paradiddle first on the right leg. Perfect. Now let's place this short tap combination with some music. Perfect, so there you have it, a short tap combination.